Hello friends, next one, using this brush we are trying to color it out on top of this white paper, making a nice bee using a clay. And this is how another colored clay we have taken, and we are making nice bee. And here's our insects, several animals, they are hanging around in this beautiful garden. This is our sponge, we have folded it, and this is how we are giving colors to it, so that when we'll squeeze it in this white color, it will make something like this. And this way we can draw our butterfly so easily, and this way we don't have to give any extra color to it, and it's really very simple. Next one, we are trying to draw a nice tree using the help of a sponge, and this is how we are giving looks to it. And our tree is ready with a nice colorful as well as fruits over there, and it's really very simple. Next one, it's a clay we have taken, and this is how we are trying to fold it to this shape, so that we can get this nice bird shape here and decorate it ahead and make this nice scene over here. And it's really very simple.